Hi guys! So today in this video I'm going to tell you about a DIY conditioner that is made from hibiscus leaves. Yes, hibiscus leaves guys! So I'm plucking hibiscus leaves here in my colony. Hibiscus leaves are available anywhere, literally anywhere in India. If you don't have a hibiscus plant around you, please get one from your closest nursery because after watching this video, hibiscus will be your favorite plant. All you need to do for making this conditioner is blend your hibiscus leaves with some water in a blender or a mixer. That's it guys, our conditioner is ready. Now take out this mixture in a bowl. And the next step is to apply it. After shampooing, in this video I've already shampooed, so directly I'm going with the conditioner, with our DIY conditioner. And I've already shot a video on how to use shampoo bar. Check it out, I'll put the link in the description box below. So take some conditioner in your hands and apply it onto your hair from the scalp towards the end of the hair. After applying the conditioner, tie your hair into a knot and leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meanwhile, wash your body, wash your face, and do all the other things that you would do while bathing. Your bathing routine, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wash my hair off. It's been like 7 to 8 minutes already. So I'm gonna just rinse it off with normal lukewarm water. That's it for today's video, guys. Meanwhile, I'll finish showering. Hope you love this conditioner. Until next time, bye guys.